welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. If you're a returning subscriber, I want you to know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. So, today's video, I'm making four different kinds of juices, and I'm gonna freeze them because what I've come to learn about myself is that I am not at the point where I can make fresh juice every single day, because I know that you're supposed to drink it within 20 minutes of making it, and that's fine and dandy and all of that, but I literally just don't have it in me to make it every day. So you can freeze it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna leave 2 out at a time. I think this is a good idea for somebody who has a full-time job, making this every single day, especially with this juicer. I think if I had a different juicer, you know, like an actual juicer, it would be a much faster process. Let's just get straight into it. The first one is gonna be a green juice, and for all of my juices, I bought these little containers. They're 16 ounces on Amazon. I will put the link down below in the description box for you guys if you're interested. I liked these ones because obviously you can just put the juice in like this with a sealed lid. But these also came with a lid with a hole in it and a straw, so that when you are ready to drink it, you can just switch the lid and have a straw. Yeah, we're gonna start with the green juice, like I said. If you guys want a full review on this juicer, definitely like this video, comment down below, let me know, and I will definitely do that for you because I have some comments on it. We don't need these right now, so I'm gonna move them. For the green juice, I am going to do a cup of frozen spinach. I also did read online that you can use frozen spinach. Actually, it might end up being better. I had a big box and I don't really eat kiwis that often, even though they are so good, but I don't eat them that often. And I just wanted to use them up, so I'm putting 2 whole kiwis in this green juice, 2 whole green apples, and a whole cucumber, and then some pineapple, and then 1 ginger cube. Okay, here we go. Putting all of the apples in. Some of the fruit makes more mess than others, I've noticed. Like, the apples are just so juicy. They're so juicy. Like, literally juice is coming out from this end too, and it's like supposed to be going all in here, but whatever. You guys see like how long this is taking? If I were to make a juice every day, then also cleaning this every day, like I just don't have that energy. Like literally all this is getting stuck. Okay, almost done with this green juice, the first one. I had to clean this thing out. Like I said, let me know if you want a review. I'm putting a 3rd cup of pineapples. Like the juice just hangs out here. Okay. Well, oh my gosh. The first juice is done. Every single one is gonna get a ginger cube, and I got these at Trader Joe's for like $4. They're crushed ginger. There's 20 cubes, and 1 cube equals 1 teaspoon. So I feel like that's a decent amount because ginger's kind of a strong flavor, TH. Oh my God. I read online, when it freezes, it is going to rise. Green juice numero 1 is complete. Oh my God, I forgot to put spinach in this one. Okay, well this one's not getting any spinach, that's fine. On to the next one. I made 3 green juices. Now I'm gonna make more of an antioxidant type of juice, I guess. A purple juice. In this one is gonna be 2 whole red apples, 3 carrot sticks, like the big ones, and then 1 whole beet. I'm a little nervous because I've never had beets before, so I think I might end up adding pineapple to this as well. And then also, of course, lemon and ginger. And I just buy this because it's cheaper. It says 100% lemon juice of about 10 quality lemons. So I've never juiced a beet before, so I don't know which one we should do first, but we're just gonna go for it. I'm a little nervous. Okay, let's just throw the beet in there. Oh my God. So let's actually just do the whole beet. Get that out of the way. I feel like this got no juice from the beet, and that was a whole beet. This smells so earthy. Like, I really hope. I'm definitely gonna have to put like some pineapple in this to cover that taste. Otherwise I won't drink it, and I hope the whole point of these is to drink it. Okay, so first beet juice one done. First antioxidant juice done. We are going to take a ginger cube. Like I said, we're putting them into every single one. I think that maybe having the ginger cube as well will help mask the taste of the beet. And then again, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which I am sure someone will have something to say about that, but guys, it's just easier for me. Like, let's be happy that Tosh is consuming fruits and vegetables right now, because this isn't something that the old me would do, and this is a step in the right direction. Here we go. Oh, wow. So that didn't even do anything. So what I'm gonna do is another 1/4, and in the next cup, I'll put a full 4th cup. I added pineapple juice to that. Now I'm gonna make the other one. Okay, it's starting to look a little crowded over here, but we have our next 2. 1 full red apple, 3 ounces of raspberries, and then I don't know if pears are not in season. I couldn't find them anywhere, so I literally had to get a can, so 1/2 of a can in each juice. So this one will be the like cheat juice. I have not juiced raspberries, so let's see how it goes. Literally no juice came out of this. Okay, hold on. So I may have to do the raspberries first. What? I'm so confused. Apparently this works for other people, because people juice their raspberries. But it looks like all of it's coming out here because it's so mushy. Let's try to juice these pears. To do a whole apple or 2 apples. This looks nasty. Okay, so the raspberry ones were not, this juice is really hard to do. Everything is stuck in here. Like, this juicer I don't like for this reason. Like, I don't know, I just really want to get a regular juicer. Like, this is just kind of a waste of money and time in my opinion. This one, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, about that much. And then my pink juice is done. I'm so excited to drink all of these. The very last thing that I'm gonna make, and I know that I literally have been here forever, I just wanna be prepared for the week. Oh, and I forgot to say, this one has oranges, turmeric, black pepper, pineapple, and lemon juice. this is my juice. Ginger doesn't melt. Lesson learned. I guess we'll just have to let these sit here for a second. But I know it's kind of weird to put pepper into your juice, but I guess it's good for you. That's what the recipe called for. I did not come up with this on my own. And I'm gonna sprinkle some turmeric. I guess I could try to pop one in and see, but I already know, like, it won't melt. I'd have to sit here for like 15 minutes before it melts. I'm just gonna keep stirring it. Sorry if the video footage seems like it lost a little bit of quality, like widen the angle a little bit so you guys could see a little bit more. That beet juice really freaking made a murder scene here. I'm just gonna take some of the lemon juice and I definitely think I'll be able to fill all 12 of these up, so let's go. But I think actually majority of it is about to get on this, what is this? Towel. You do want to leave some room for like freezing reasons. So I'm gonna fill it up to like there. Guys, so that's literally this video. Let's go over the juices that we made again. This one is definitely the most pulpy. I don't know if you guys can like see that, but there's a lot of like slush in there or like mush, but I think that this one is gonna be the best flavor wise because it has raspberries, peaches, pineapple, apple, lemon, and ginger. And then in this purple one, I can't really see a lot of pulp. This one looks really, oh, I can. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but like down here is darker and up here is lighter. I think this is gonna be the nastiest juice. And then I have 3 green juices. I've been making the green juice and these 2 are actually my first time making these, so I will let you guys know what I think of them. I'll actually do like a whole taste test for each of them and I'll kind of describe the taste as I'm tasting them, but the green juice I do really actually like, that's why I continue to make it. But this time I did use a full cucumber. This one has a little bit more spinach in it, which you can probably see in the color, but I used a full cucumber for each one, 2 kiwis for each one, and then 2 green apples. So I really think this green juice is gonna be fire. And then I have these little wellness shots, which I have 12 of. So I think I can have one every single day. I feel like I'm gonna be super healthy. And I got all of these off of Amazon. Like I said before, I will have them linked down below for you guys. And I will also have the ingredients that I used down below. Okay, so I forgot to close out the video. Sorry that I probably look like I'm sick. I'm not sick, I'm just super tired. I literally stayed up until 5 in the morning. Why did I do that to myself? I don't know, but my bags are like, they're there. So like I said, forgot to close it out. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for the apartment tour.